My name is Deepak Sapra. I'm from Dr. Reddy's in India. I take care of the CPS business. I head that business worldwide, and I'm also leading Dr. Reddy's entry into the Japanese market.
My name is Silke Oeschger. I'm responsible for marketing communication and corporate communication at Dr. Reddy's and representing our brand here.
So we've been in the Japanese market for more than a decade now. We have three major lines of business in the Japanese market which are quite active at the moment. We have a strong and well-established API business. We've been working with a large number of Japanese companies for more than a decade now. This includes Japanese originator companies and Japanese generic companies. We have been here at CPHI now for 6 years. I think over the years the show has evolved. The show is now a lot more integrated with different lines of business. We have a lot of people coming in from different parts of the world compared to some of our earlier experiences when it was primarily a local Japanese show. We have a lot more integration between the pipeline that is there in Japan and in Europe and in North America. A lot of companies are also talking to each other, so synergies are a lot more, and I think just going by the quality of the discussions we are having, very high quality discussions.
Yeah, we have chosen CPHI Japan as one platform for us to launch our new branding. Our new branding was introduced in June in 2015.
So we've had a large number of partners coming up and meeting with us. There have been essentially two categories of discussions. One is with established business partners and customers who we are already working with, so it's more of pushing things forward. On the other hand, there have been quite a few meetings with newer partners and potential partners where we're essentially trying to give the message of the capabilities that we have as a company. Some of the very strong areas for us, for example, oncology, for example, complex generics, for example, difficult to make APIs. So some of those things we are trying to talk about to our partners and trying to explain to them how collaboration with Dr. Reddy's really is a win-win kind of an outcome for both of us. So that's been the two categories of discussion. The ones in the first one are probably more predictable and more expected. And the ones which really took me by surprise, and we've had a lot of pleasant surprise. We've had a lot of good discussions on that, are about presenting this value proposition on things like oncology and difficult to make products, which has really captured the imagination of quite a few partners, and hopefully things can move forward from here.